For users on the Tuya Smart Home app, all you need to do is go on My Home and Home Management. If you click through to there, you go onto the settings for your home. You can then add a member and send an invite link. If you click Add Member, and you can share an invite link through multiple different ways and they will receive a code. You can also manage permissions for the common member, so you're able to change what they're allowed to do once they have the device paired. You can then change your home name, change it to something relatable to yourself. And you can go on room management where you can group and ungroup rooms and switch things around so devices are in set zones. Once the invite link has been sent, it has a certain amount of time before it expires, but the recipient will go on Join a Home and put the invitation code in, and they will then have the device loaded onto their Tuya Smart Home app. You're allowed to add up to 20 members and have all different people controlling the device at the same time. You can also go into this via the Me section at the bottom or on the home page, the top left.